In today's video, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, color. Specifically, the hottest color trends for contemporary small living rooms in 2025. Whether you're working with a compact apartment, a cozy nook, or a multifunctional living space, choosing the right colors can completely transform the way your home feels with the title Contemporary Small Living Rooms, a guide to 2025's hottest colors. This year, we're seeing a beautiful shift toward mood-driven palettes, from grounding earth tones to soft, ethereal pastels and bold accent hues. But in small spaces, color isn't just aesthetic, it's strategic. The right shades can make your room feel bigger, brighter, and more balanced. So if you're wondering what colors to paint your walls, what fabrics to bring in, or how to mix tones for harmony and depth, stay tuned. One, contemporary oasis of comfort and elegance. Take a look at this gorgeous space. What immediately stands out is the use of warm neutrals. Ivory, beige, and soft cream tones dominate the room. In 2025, neutral color palettes are taking center stage, offering a clean and calming canvas that makes any small space feel bigger and brighter. While the walls and furniture are wrapped in light hues, notice the rich wood tones on the coffee table, sideboards, and flooring. This year, designers are using dark, earthy woods as contrast elements to ground neutral color schemes. The contrast not only adds depth but also creates a sense of natural warmth, a key element in making small spaces feel cozy rather than cramped. In 2025, it's all about subtle accents. Here, the fresh greenery and white hydrangeas on the coffee table provide a refreshing pop of life and color without overwhelming the room. Incorporating plants or botanical artwork is a simple way to add vibrancy while staying on trend. Let's talk light. The abundance of natural light flooding in through large windows amplifies the spacious feel of this room. Complemented by sheer curtains and reflective surfaces like glass lamps and mirror accents, it's a perfect example of how thoughtful design and color choices can visually expand a small room. So, whether you're starting from scratch or giving your living room a quick refresh, remember this formula. Start with soft neutrals, anchor with rich woods, add a splash of greenery, and let the light do the rest. Two, bold and livable. Feast your eyes on this stunning room, where bold meets balance. The dominant black walls create an ultra-sleek, modern backdrop, instantly setting the tone for a dramatic yet sophisticated space. In small living rooms, this might seem risky, but as you can see here, it works beautifully when paired with light furniture and plenty of natural light. Red is the undisputed star of this setup. From the vivid accent chair to the geometric throw pillows, and even the artwork, this punchy color demands attention without overpowering the room. In 2025, red is being reimagined as a confident, energizing accent, perfect for expressing personality in compact spaces. Notice how the white furniture pieces help soften the boldness of the black and red palette. Clean-lined armchairs and a crisp sofa add contrast, while the metallic details and mirrored coffee table bring in texture and reflection, making the room feel brighter and more open. Art plays a critical role here. The large red and white piece on the wall isn't just decor, it's a color anchor. This is a top tip for 2025. Let your artwork dictate your accent color choices, then echo them throughout your textiles, books, and floral arrangements for cohesion. What makes this room especially successful is its balance. It's bold, yes, but still livable. Every element is intentional, from the patterned rug that grounds the space to the layered lighting that keeps it welcoming at all hours. Three, warm and reflective. A harmonious mix of soft creams and warm taupes. These neutral tones are a hallmark of 2025's contemporary aesthetic, bringing calm and cohesion to even the smallest living areas. They reflect natural light beautifully, making the room feel spacious and serene. The star of the room is this plush, modular sectional. Its low profile and soft silhouette make it both stylish and functional, perfect for lounging or entertaining. Notice how the furniture hugs the corners, maximizing floor space without sacrificing comfort. Framed geometric prints on the wall create a structured, yet subtle visual interest. In small rooms, wall art in complementary tones adds depth without overwhelming the space. Here, the art echoes the furniture's rectangular shape, enhancing the room's harmony. Large windows flood the room with light, enhanced by sheer curtains that provide softness without blocking the sunshine. A sleek floor lamp adds ambient lighting, perfect for evenings. In small spaces, natural light is everything, and this room lets it shine. 4. Elegant, appreciative tone. In small living rooms, where square footage is limited, texture becomes your secret weapon. It adds dimension, warmth, and interest, without taking up any space. This room is a perfect example. The bold burnt orange velvet sofa is the room's centerpiece. It doesn't just add color, it adds a tactile luxury that draws the eye and invites touch. Velvet, especially in deep tones, offers richness that balances the room's minimal lines. Let's talk throw pillows, because here, they're not just accessories, they're a textural narrative. Crisp white, soft gray, plush velvet, and smooth leather finishes create contrast through both color and feel. These layers of texture keep the room from feeling flat or cold. Notice the smooth concrete coffee table, paired with a ceramic pitcher and matte tray. Against the plushness of the sofa, these harder surfaces provide visual tension, a balancing act that adds sophistication without clutter. The walls and curtains remain light and neutral, creating a calming backdrop. And there you have it, the color trends that are shaping small living rooms in 2025. From soft neutrals that soothe to bold tones that spark joy, there's truly a palette for every mood and every space. Remember, color is more than just decoration. It's how your space speaks to you every day. Even the smallest rooms can feel expansive, cozy, or energizing with the right tones and thoughtful layering. If you found a color trend today that inspired you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're planning to bring it into your own calm dwelling. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. We've got more serene design tips, mood boards, and small space makeovers coming your way. Until next time, I'm Coraline, and remember, peace begins at home.